have to decide when we're at the tape machine is what tape speed are we working at. Since we know the tape is 16.5 minutes long, we enter in 1630 here, and we shift it to the tape position and reset 0. Remember, we're at the end of the tape right now because where it tails out, so we need to rewind the tape. So there's a couple different ways we can have the tape go back to 0, or any location point that we enter in here, and it's by pressing the blue locate button. Now we need to look at where is our next song. So we look at our tape sheet here and we see that our location point is 0 to 5 minutes. So we're going to let this tape rewind to the 0 position. While it's doing that, we need to look down here. This is where we're monitoring the tape. If we're mixing down, we're listening to the tape. If we're initially tracking a band, we're working in the input selection. If we're doing overdubs, we're working that way with the input and auto button pressed in. If we're doing an auto dub and we're recording on track 1, to record enable track 1, we press in the black button. Now that's record enabled, so that when we put this into play and record, it will go into record on track 1. And if we're doing any overdubs or punching in, this is the mode that we work in. So as we see here, the tape located to 0 position, and we're looking here, we're in a fixed mode for our tape speed. If it was in the variable mode, it would be red. We want to be sure that that's green. We want to be sure that if we're mixing, that none of our tracks are record enabled like that, and we want to be in the tape position.